Hello everyone and welcome to the Java Puzzle Ball MOOC, where we'll cover Java coding and concepts. My name is Nick. I'm a game designer and senior curriculum developer at Oracle. For Lesson 1-1, I want to present some background information on educational games and let you know what you can expect from this course. So what is Java Puzzle Ball? It's an educational game developed entirely in JavaFX. It has game modes which are designed to build your understanding of key Java programming concepts. We've used this game as part of several Oracle courses, like Oracle University and Oracle Academy Java Foundations, as well as some one-on-one and small presentations I've done myself. But this is the first time we've detached it and offered it as its own learning exercise with exclusive content and made it available to a massive audience. There's a lot to learn from this course, but I'll also point out opportunities where you can further your learning from Oracle University, Oracle Academy, or resources here on the Oracle Learning Library. In the intro video for this course, we raised the question,
can I really learn to program from a game?
The longer answer to this question is yes. If they're designed and implemented properly, you'll come away with a deeper understanding and better problem-solving abilities compared to more passive forms of learning. To demonstrate this, we'll examine a bad use of an educational game, a good use of an educational game, how Java Puzzle Ball is used in this course, and what makes this implementation effective. We'll start with a bad game.
Hey kids, it's time for the new amazing game, Pig Pounder!
Yay!
Solve fun questions to save the pigs! Maximize your score! Earn badges to increase your rank! Brag to your friends on social media. Let's get pig pounding!
Yay!
Well, howdy. My name is Farmer Brown, and this here's my pig farm. And yes, ma'am, we've got the finest pigs here in the county.
Stupid Farmer Brown! I'm Bubba the Thug, and I've got your pigs now.
Dang it, my pigs!
That's right. And unless you can solve my math problems, I'm gonna pound these pigs.
Will you help me save my pigs from that sick thug, Bubba?
What is 2 pound 6? What is 7 pound 5? Try this one for a badge. What is 11 pound 3? It's game over, Farmer Brown. I'm gonna pound these pigs.
Wah, wah. So, where does Pig Pounder fail? Despite having trendy features like cute characters, points, badges, and social media, Pig Pounder does nothing to help you understand what the pound operation is. It represents a mathematical operation, but is completely fake. There are no right answers. But it could just as easily be any other mathematical operation that a student could be unfamiliar with. And that's the problem with most educational games. They're not fun and they're non-educational. To succeed, you have to arrive at the game already understanding what the game is testing for. And instead of creating a game, it creates a glorified quiz. It's a mistake to drill content like that. People don't learn new skills, people aren't prepared to think through new situations. So this style works to improve your existing skills or your recognition ability. But if you want to try and learn something new, then no, this approach won't work. How can Pig Pounder be fixed? Let's pretend that the pound operator is really the mod operator. If we want people with no prior understanding to learn the mod operator, we'd have to create an experience where people can learn through exploration, learn by doing. And that experience involves dividing a group of objects into a particular number and then identifying when a full group can't be formed. So for example, 11 mod 3. We have 11 objects. We break them up into groups of 3, and if a full group can't be formed, how many of these objects remain? And so we find that the answer here is 2. Java Puzzle Ball is similar, But instead of building an understanding for mathematical concepts, the game builds your understanding of complex computer science concepts, including object-oriented thinking and class design, static versus instance variables, inheritance, and lambda expressions. The misconception people have with Java Puzzle Ball is they think that after playing, they'll come away knowing Java syntax, but designing a game like that, which focuses on content, would be just as unhelpful as Pig Pounder. Instead, the game focuses on developing your understanding and ability to think like a programmer. As a result, instead of falling asleep, students find the technical details presented in lecture afterwards make a lot more sense. And instead of being bewildered by walls of code, this process should translate into better problem-solving abilities in code labs. The approach used in this course is to first play a set of puzzles. As you play, you'll consider key questions and you'll build your familiarity with the underlying system. This is followed by a lecture which contextualizes your observations and where things really click with students. And finally, you'll apply your understanding to completing a code lab. First up, play basic puzzles 1 through 5, although you're welcome to go further. Your goal is to design a solution that deflects the ball to Duke. As you play, consider what objects do you find on the field of play, and what happens when you put a triangle wall or simple wall on the blue wheel. When you're finished playing, move on to the next part of the lesson.